सुनो विदुषी, रिकॉर्डिंग तो मोनिका कर लेगी, हमें तो चाहिए नहीं रिकॉर्डिंग। तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग इन प्रोग्रेस का क्या मतलब है? हमारे यहाँ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है?
नहीं सर, एक्सेप्ट नहीं।
हम्म?
नहीं सर, आप
विदुषी 1 मिनट आओ जरा।
यस सर।
जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ और जो मेरा पोस्टर है उसकी गैप आ रहा है, क्यों आता है ये गैप? क्या कहानी है?
सर नेटवर्क कनेक्शन की वजह से इशू हो गया।
नेटवर्क कनेक्शन?
यस सर। सर नेटवर्क कनेक्शन की वजह से इशू हो गया। यस सर।
आपके दोनों हो गए ना वैसे?
नहीं है,
एक ही बार
अभी 4 जुलाई को है। आपके दोनों है।
मेरे दोनों हैं। ठीक है।
सर मेरा स्क्रीन मीटिंग नहीं होता तो मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर
I can see here very senior people.
फालतू फाइलें जो है ना वो डिलीट कर दो जो खुली है। आकाश जी,
Yes, sir. Afternoon.
kindly check the voice.
Sir, you are audible clearly.
Okay. Shall I reduce it?
No, it's fine. It's absolutely fine.
Akash ji,
Yes, sir.
yes sir. Kindly check the voice.
Sir, you are audible clearly.
Okay. Shall I reduce it?
No, it's fine.
Why it is getting repeated?
Actually, Facebook on tha. It was.
Okay. Okay.
It takes 2 to 3 seconds for Facebook to.
Okay. Fine.
So, sir, shall we start?
Yes, we can start.
Shall we proceed? Okay. Good evening. Good evening, all the participants. I welcome you all on behalf of myvaluationbank.com. Today's session, we have something different from altogether that we are used to attend, or what we have been listening or gaining knowledge since last 1 year from on the platform of myvaluationbank.com. Mostly of the sessions of myvaluationbank.com held today till today was based on some technical session based on how to do valuation and all those things. Today's session is totally different, but as I say, it's a different. So perhaps it is very important session, a very interesting topic, that how to create a female Warren Buffett at your home. It's about how you plan, how you decide the things in terms of financial management, financial planning for your daughters, granddaughters, and how to help them to become Warren Buffett in their domain. We all know who is Warren Buffett and what his portfolio is, and how disciplined investor he is till date, since he has started his since he was 11, at the age of 11, and he believed that that 11 at the age of 11 he was very late in investing. So we can think how in, important is to invest from the early days of life. So today we have a speaker, Dr. Ajay Garg. We all know him very well. He's been continuous uh, available on the platform of myvaluationbank.com and Airva. As a gesture, I would like to introduce him. Ajay Garg is a diversified professional, a speaker, author, and social entrepreneur as well. He's having corporate experience of more than 35 years. He is postgraduate in economics, MA economics, commerce, MBA. Beside LLB, he is also a fellow member of ICSI and ICA, that is Indian Council of Arbitration. He is IBB registered valuer in SFA category, a qualified insolvency professional, and a doctorate in commerce. He has been delivering numerous lectures and sessions on various topics, be it technical topic or be it a soft skill kind of thing, anything. He is a very speaker. He's a kind of speaker to whom all the audience love to hear from. He had been on the board of directors of Corporation Bank as well, and being an author, he's into continuous developing and publishing his books. Recently, his book got published that is Avatar Corporate Management, How to Start a Business. So with this, I welcome Ajay Ji, and I welcome all the participants. Sir, sir, now the dice is yours. Ajay sir,
Yes.
yes sir. Now the dice is yours, sir.
Now there is little voice loss in between.
Okay. Now it's
Yeah.
audible, sir. Clear?
Yes. And see, today is a special day, and because this is special day, therefore we have special numbers also. The last session we had the highest. Today we have the lowest because other numbers are there. Other numbers means the numbers of the valuers who visited Valuation Bank in last 1 year.
Hmm.
We launched the valuationbank.com on 26th June 2020 during Corona.
Yeah.
And the number of hits anyone can check. This is mind-boggling figure.
Sir, please raise your voice a bit.
Yeah. This is mind-boggling figure considering the number of valuers in India. Valuers in India is still 5,000, and number of hits which we got is in multiples of 5,000. We got more than 3,15,000 hits by this time, and this is something wonderful, something amazing, something extraordinary, something unthought of, something which even we could not dream when we launched myvaluationbank.com. Most of the reports, most of the information is absolutely free. Hardly there is one or two report which is on paid basis. Other
क्या कह रहे हो? ठीक है.
other reports are free, and these are being visited, revisited continuously by the valuers as and when they need. They are revisiting it, and we will be talking about this also. First of all, let us focus on a special session for special persons. And special session is creating female Warren Buffett at your home. Valuer. We are the valuer, Akashji.
Yes, sir.
And valuer is not only to sign the valuation report. He is for something more.
Hmm.
If you can find value in any asset where price is less, value is more, then valuer is most of the time first person, the most suitable person who can do so. And today's session is based on, because see what happens in real life. We were talking, I was talking to Rajan Sahdev. Rajan Sahdev is one of the founder member of All India Registered Valuer Association. And incidentally, in one of the group, one of the person posted that these were the shares, 30 shares, which got maximum valuation addition in 1 year. And just incidentally, I mentioned that I held 5 of these shares. Then someone asked, kindly mention what share you had. I mentioned the name of shares which I had. And I said that once my target was completed, I exited from them. Today, I have only one out of this list of 30. And the list was multi-bagger because every share has multiplied by 2 at least.
Okay.
And then I got a call from Rajan Sahdev, one of the registered valuer in Delhi. He is founder member of All India Registered Valuer Association. And he asked for my strategy about the investment. And then I disclosed him that my strategy for my account is different. My strategy for my daughter's account is different. And he said, can you tell the strategy which you used for your daughter's account? I said, okay, some other day. And I thought that I shall share this not only with him, but I shall share this with valuer community first. Reason being that valuer can find out the value which is more than the price. If any valuer can find out the value which is more than the price of current date, it makes sense. Suresh Agarwal ji is here. You know, when we did session on Motherson Sumi, the value of that share was 94 rupees.
Okay.
And this is just 6 months old story. And do you know what is the rate today? This is 236.
My God.
Already
Oh.
more than double. Sureshji, Sureshji, already more than double.
Oh, great.
And when you did that session, at
Yeah.
that time, someone asked that how you rate this share. If you remember, there was a question in the chat box.
Yeah.
And this was told that this is rediscovery of the Motherson Sumi group. That
Yeah.
that reply to the chat is also recorded.
Oh,
And see, we are seeing the history today. Then
great.
the question is that we have already crossed the age of when Warren Buffett started his stock market journey. Therefore, we cannot break his record in our own name. And Akashji, before I start screen sharing, there is another thing to tell. This is the story of every house. See, in North India, there are two terms, Maika and Sasural. Maika ends on the day mother dies. Sasural ends on the day when father-in-law dies. That is the reason why this Maika and Sasural word goes. And girls rarely in any family gets any legacy. Girls don't get any legacy, very rare. If and for that rare, they have to fight the battle in court. They have to lose their brothers permanently. Usually there is a condition that if you will ask something, I will not come at your doorstep. This is the bitter truth. This happens in every home.
Hmm.
Now the question is that as a valuer, can we leave some legacy for the daughters and granddaughters? And if we can leave some legacy, do we need to create that legacy out of valuation report? My answer is no. First answer to first question, yes, this is possible. Because there is another truth about our home that every girl gets some money on her birthday, gets some money on every festival, small festival, small money, get some money on every celebration occasion. This is at least her money. But sometimes what happens most of the time that this money is also used by her mother. And and she does not have right on this money also. This is the bitter truth.
Yeah.
And my daughter, when she was 9 years old, just one day I was just wondering, how can I break the record of Warren Buffett? And then, when you have question, answer automatically comes.
Yeah.
And then answer came that yes, I cannot break the record of Warren Buffett. This is clear. If I cannot break, what can I do?
Hmm.
That was another question. Okay, if I cannot, at least my daughter can break this record. So that way, what happened? That way, a solution came that because my daughter is less than 11, therefore she can break this record. And when this question came, then I connected with my sub broker because at that time there used to be sub broker.
Hmm.
I asked, can I open a account in the name of my daughter? His instant reply was no. I said, I am not convinced. Kindly check again and come back to me. Then he talked to his main broker. And instant reply from main broker was, you cannot. I said, kindly recheck and give me the number. Let me talk to the main broker. And he gave me the number and I talked to the main broker. When I talked to the main broker and I gave him the reference of, because by that time CDSL and NSDL both were there. I said this is mentioned over there that Demat account can be opened in the name of minor. Trading account cannot be opened in the name of minor. And I don't want to open trading account. I want to open only Demat account.
Hmm.
And he said, yes, you are right. I was thinking trading account, you were talking about Demat account.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then he said, yes, possible, Demat account can be opened in the name of minor.
Hmm.
Therefore, for my valuer friends who are attending today's session, I shall clarify that Demat account can be opened in the name of minor. First thing, trading account cannot be opened. And for account opening, there were three challenges. Challenge number one was I needed her PAN card. Challenge number two was I needed her bank account number. And then the journey started. Bank account number happened, PAN card happened, Demat account happened, and I became her guardian as well as I became her mentor. And the journey started at the age of 9 for her. And Rajan Sahdev, perhaps he is busy somewhere. He could not join the session today, though he was very desperate to join it. But sometimes professional responsibilities are like that,
Yeah.
that you want, but you cannot. Now, Akashji, when I opened this account now,
Mhm.
then another question came. Indian Contract Act. Indian Contract Act says that minor
Cannot.
cannot enter into an agreement. Because minor cannot enter into an agreement, therefore the challenge was how to do it. Because secondary market is a contract, she cannot purchase from secondary market in her demat account.
Mm.
She cannot purchase from primary market also. But whenever there is a problem, there is a solution.
Mm.
And then solution came out that I have my demat account. Minor cannot enter into a contract, but minor can receive the gift.
Beneficiary.
Minor can receive the gift.
Mm.
Forget, let us forget the contract. Minor can receive the gift.
Yes.
And she was having her bank account. Whatever saving was there, that saving was going on in her bank account, not with her mother. Because otherwise, what happens? That you give one day, and third day you take it back and you use this money, her money, for domestic expenditure. But we made it sincerely clear that whatever money she generates, whether gifted by her maternal uncle or paternal uncle or by us as a parent or on her birthday or whatever, then that money must be put into her bank account. And then share purchase will always happen in my account because I am major. I can enter into contract, Indian Contract Act. Suresh is practicing as a lawyer, so he will validate that Ajay Garg can enter into contract, but Khushi Garg cannot enter into contract. But Ajay Garg can give gift to Khushi Garg as many times as I want. Okay, this is not that you can give only one gift in a year. You are practicing in the field of income tax, you know
Mm.
that in blood relation, gift can happen n number of times. So then what used to happen that I will purchase these shares in my account. I will transfer these shares in her account.
Mm.
Now, there was a question that number one, 11 years beaten. Now there was a question that whether only this system will continue for life or I will become only guardian or I will become mentor also. That was the second question. So I thought, okay, let us move ahead. Let us become the mentor because in her name, Garg is attached, means, and she is she. Most likely, she will not be doing the job in her life. And I conveyed her that prepare yourself not for the job, but for the business,
Sorry,
howsoever small
sir, your
this may be.
voice, sir, your voice
Okay,
level is very.
then is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'm just like Mr. Agarwal that I am not used to use these wires, and without wire, this is better.
Yeah.
Then Akashji, then another thing happened
Mm-hmm.
that I thought that why only mentor? Why not mentor also? At the young age of 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we should have a clear cut investment policy because we decided that in her account there shall not be any sale. She will sell once she matures. I will not sell. That was the strategy.
Mm-hmm.
And because we were thinking in terms of long term. Because we were thinking in long term, therefore strategy was totally different. Now, what was this totally different? Most of the people might be interested to know what was the investment policy.
Mm.
See, investment policy, because everything depends on investment policy. And one of the investment policy which I used for my account as well as for her account is say no to TIP, say no to tip.
Hmm.
Who will give us the tip? We are the qualified professionals. Is there someone who is not insider but intelligent than us? No. That much self-confidence, that much thing was there. But for her, there was a special investment policy. Then the first question was, because I was already 11 plus, I cannot break his record. Then who can break that record? So then I could find that yes, my daughter can break the record. If I not, then my daughter. Then also wherever the name will come, then father's name will happen. So that way my name will be there whenever she will be talked about this. And this is only today's session that when I am talking of this 10 years journey. And you are RV of repute and making good money. Most likely your wealth will be grabbed by sons and grandsons. And daughters will not get anything out of valuation reports which you sign. The question is, do you have daughters and granddaughters? How can you give something to them? That too during your lifetime. Because after life, they will not get. Then how can you do and what you can do, give? And without giving anything, can you give something? That was the question, Akeshji. And then answer came that yes, if question is there, answer will automatically come. You can make them female Warren Buffett. This is possible without giving much if they are less than 11 years of age. Because this was her money only. What I gave, nothing. I gave only little piece of knowledge. I made an investment policy and only her money has grown. And no money was added in the money which she got during festivals, during various occasions, during visits to the family relatives, during visit of family relatives, something like that. So this was how things happen. I was talking that in addition to these three festivals, birthdays, and ceremonies, she might also be getting scholarships, cash awards for good performance from you, because sometimes we encourage the children that if you will get so much marks, then I will give you this much. Something like this. Pocket money, she might have saved something out of it, and cash from her maternal and paternal uncles. So this all whatever is mentioned there, this happens with every girl child. Whether this is 2000 rupees or 2 lakh rupees in a year, that is separate question.
Hmm.
Now after this, she has money but doesn't know art of investing. But she has you, the registered valuer. You cannot sign valuation report for her and can make money. You cannot do it because she is your daughter or granddaughter. But would you like to be mentor for female Warren Buffett? This is the question today. Whosoever is attending this session, all valuers, because this invitation has been extended to valuers only, and because this session is not for valuation report, therefore few attendants, but few attendants will get enriched today. This is certain. Would you like to do hand holding during her formative years? Would you like to become her valuable mentor? That is the question. These are the questions. And now let us talk about the answers. First of all, hardware. Hardware is check her Aadhaar card, procure her PAN card, open her DMAT account, open her bank account, open your DMAT account as well. Because she is minor and cannot purchase from primary and secondary market. But as a minor, she can get gift from you. She is eligible to get gift from you. I think up to here, this is all clear. Everything is possible, Akashji?
Absolutely clear, sir. Everything is very much
Possible. Now let us talk about the software. Because you are the registered valuer, therefore all these softwares are already available to you. Software number one, Financial Daily. You are already getting it. Means no additional expense to become mentor. Just do a small thing because she's yet a kid, maybe 7 years, maybe 5 years, maybe 8 years, maybe 4 years. Can you just encircle name of one company for her? In Financial Daily, can you encircle the name of one company? Is it going to take a lot of time? Can you spare this much time?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
This is possible, that you can at least do this simple task, that Financial Daily is there. Even if you encircle the same name every day, by the time she matures, she will be aware of at least 50 companies. Am I wrong?
Mhm.
If I say in 10 years, she will become aware of the 50 companies which are listed on the stock exchange. Am I wrong?
No, 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 no.
Now, another thing which as a valuer you are already doing, that you are visiting one business channel every day,
Mm.
news channel. You are already watching it. Just watch for 10 minutes with her during trading hours. आपको क्या करना है, that you need to watch business channel just for 10 minutes, not more than that, because grasping power of the kid is very high. Number one thing. Number two thing, that sixth sense of girl is high in comparison to boys. Akashji, voice is clear?
Yes, sir. Absolutely clear. Now it's very
Okay.
much clear.
There are two things. Number one, business channel, 10 minutes are more than enough. Number two, if possible, during trading hours. Number three, that mind of kid, grasping power of kid is better than our grasping power.
Yes.
Number two, girls have sixth sense, which is absent with the boys. Boys have to get it, girls get it by birth. Because she has the sixth sense, because you have made it a habit to watch the business news channel for 10 minutes with her. So that way, what will happen? That she will learn A, not ABC, but only A of the stock market, even if she does not develop the taste for stock market.
Mm.
Now, investment policy. Prepare it and share with her. Remember, she is too young to remember. So what? Warren Buffett was also too young. And he read his first book at the age of 19. Just now you were showing some screenshots, and I could read that
Mm.
his first book which he read about the investment policy was at the age of not 11, not 9, but at the age of 19.
Yeah, he read that at the age of 19, and he says that
Yes.
he still follows the same method that he read at the age of 19.
Yes, so that way, now I will be telling the my investment policy which I adopted for her, and then I will be telling what what returns we got in last 10, 11 years. And now let us talk some safeguards. Safeguards, Aadhaar card update. Remember various milestones, because at the age of 15 you are supposed to compulsorily go for Aadhaar card update. Then at the age of 18, you need to compulsorily go for Aadhaar card update. And then if you are changing your house, you are entering from old house to new house, then also you need to change. Demat account, don't be fuzzy about commission, because if intermediary will survive, only then you will survive.
Mm.
Don't go for Zerodha. Go for top 10,
Uh,
rather top 5. And do not open your account just by way of, because someone on one fine day on one particular moment convinced you or you liked his face, therefore you opened your demat account there. Nothing like this. Be shrewd. Open the demat account, because her demat account will continue for at least next 10 years without selling anything. Means it should be safe.
Hmm. Hmm.
Don't be fuzzy about commission, even if, because see, commission, what is commission? Commission should be so much so that intermediary survives. If commission is very less, then what is going to happen? You will be cheated either on day one or later on. Because intermediary has to survive. He has to find out other ways so that he can survive. If he will incur the losses, first thing will be he will sell your share somehow without telling you, and will do some hera-fairy with you. Therefore, don't do it. And open the account with the top 10, any of the top 10. Bank account with solid bank. Reason being, why solid bank? Because her money is precious than your money. For you, you will sign another valuation report, nothing doing. But if she loses the money, she will not get that Diwali incentive until next Diwali comes.
Hmm.
Therefore, with solid bank. And when I say solid bank, I mean to say that good public sector bank. Though every bank is assured by Reserve Bank of India, this and that, many things, but still we have seen so many things that sometimes the small bankers, they may offer 0.5% extra interest rate on the savings, and interest rate with the public sector banks may be less, but still it makes sense because your money is safer here. And don't be fuzzy about minimum balance. And I told you that say no to tip, please. These are all safeguards. This is not investment policy. These are the safeguards. जैसे होता ना, जैसे आकाश जी, as you understand
Hmm.
that whenever we do PPT, we have a policy. Say no to Google, because Google is for 12th pass, not for professional.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Same way, tip is for 12th pass, not for the professionals like you. Therefore, say no to tip, please. Now, let me talk. What was the investment policy?
Hmm.
The main thing which most of you will be interested to know, that what was my investment policy? I kept it simple
Hmm.
because as a professional, I am very busy. I can make a disclosure right from day one when I entered into practice in 2000. I have not moved back. And as a professional, I am very busy. Therefore, I kept my investment policy for her account very simple.
Hmm.
Go with the best brain which are available for free, because I was professionally busy. And see what was my strategy, Akashji.
Yes, sir.
Only Sensex share, no other share.
Okay.
Only and only Sensex share. And at that time also there used to be 30 shares. Today also there are 30 shares. But 30 shares which were there when she started journey,
Hmm.
and today's 30 shares,
Hmm.
around 10 or 11 shares have moved out from Sensex,
Yes.
and in place of them, new 10 or 11 shares have moved
Entered.
in.
Yes.
Latest exit is ONGC.
Okay.
So then, because it was long-term investment, therefore, one policy was clear that in her account, no share which is not in Sensex shall enter.
Okay.
Simple policy. Another policy, buy when markets are sentimentally down,
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
not technically, not fundamentally, but sentimentally down.
Hmm.
Sentimentally, market are down when US market is heavily down. Sentimentally, markets are down when there is some casualty, some big person leaves for heaven, then Then market goes into this sentimental downward trend. Sentimental down is there when there is political upheaval. Sentimental down is when there is some health issue like this pandemic.
Corona.
Sentimental downs are when companies have not lost anything, but some macro factors. So our number one strategy was that let us keep it simple, because professionally I cannot keep the track of the investment on daily basis. Second was go with the best brain. Third was where the best brain are. Best brains are working for Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. And what best brains are doing, they are making the Sensex and Nifty so that even if all economy goes down, but these Nifty and Sensex in long term, in medium term, in short term, if short term is 3 years, never goes down. If best brains are available for free, then why shall I look for 31st share? That was the strategy.
Okay.
And only buy, no sell. Sale was only in a reason that if one of the share has been excluded from Sensex, then transfer from her account to my account, again blood relation gift, then no issue. And then from my account it will be sold, and another share which has entered, that will enter in my account, and then that share will enter into her account. This was the simple strategy. If any share is included in Sensex, then that is buy. If any share is excluded from Sensex, then it is sell.
Okay.
This was the simple call. And even if you do not follow the stock market closely, at least this much you can do without putting even 1 hour per day, without putting even 1 hour per week, without putting even 1 hour in a month. You can do it easily, because this strategy was simple, but this was my strategy. Each of you need to devise your strategy. As I promised to Rajan Sahdevji, I have disclosed this strategy here, so that everybody whosoever interested, he can know this strategy, that what was the strategy which I followed. And Rajanji has joined now. So then he might be having some questions. We will discuss that. But before that, what was the process? Process, because some of us have joined little late. Therefore, I shall disclose the process once again. All her miscellaneous incomes were transferred into her bank account. Transfer funds from her bank account to my bank account, because she cannot enter into contract. Purchase of shares from secondary market when market is down. And I told you what was my strategy. When market is sentimentally down, this is the time to purchase, because as soon as sentiments will be removed after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month, it will recover. So if suppose a share has gone into TRO by 6%, then in next 1 month you are going to get 6%. Recent example, shall I give the recent example?
Yes, sir. Please.
Recent example is that when Infosys quarterly results were declared, because results were little on lower side, therefore what happened, that from 1410, the share next day moved to 1330, 1330. And because this was sentimental down, reason being that prior to quarterly results, 15 days before quarterly results, Infosys has announced buyback of shares. And this buyback was on cards. Therefore, because you were getting the share at 5% less price, this was the time to buy. Everybody has his own pocket, and I purchased 20 shares recently in that at 1330. Next day share was at 1380, 1318, and for around 10 trading sessions it was below 1330, and after 10 trading sessions then it started upward journey. And then came the day when buyback was announced, And on buyback day, the price was 1530. And this story is 1.5 month old. On 1330, you got 200 rupees.
Hmm.
In 2 months, you got 200 rupees. Similarly, when HCL results were announced this quarter, then at that time HCL share was trading at 1010. And on the day of result, next day it touched 918. 918 means 8% discount sentimental,
Mhm.
because HCL is now being led by the daughter of Shiv Nadar, and she is being hailed as better IT than Shiv Nadar. If it is so, company cannot be in dumps for long time, and HCL is getting new clients at higher speed. Therefore, this was the buy. These are the examples only. Okay. Now from my trading account to my demat account, and from my demat account to her demat account through off market trade, because two types of trade are possible, through market and off market. Off market, you have to fill a slip and you need to deposit this slip. These were the steps. And this is start now to create at least one female Warren Buffett in your home. She will be proud of you as a RV mentor. No other family member can take this booty because this is in her name. Slowly, she will also learn making money from stock market. And who knows, if she creates the interest, then later on she can proudly say from any forum, from any stage, that I made my first investment when I was 9 years. If she develops that type of interest. And we have kept today's session lot more time for the purpose of question answers, because there may be many question answers on this strategy or on these things. And uh, first of all, let us go to Rajanji, because he was the person who enticed, and because of him, I could think of that not only valuation report, but valuer can make money through other things also, and this strategy needs to be shared with the wider audience. So Rajanji, kindly unmute yourself and uh, switch on your video also.
Yes, sir, I'm visible.
Yes, this will take little time, 10 seconds, and then you may become visible.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Yes.
Sir, I have seen your presentation is very good presentation for point of view, investment point of view. So I have learned.
You are the only person for whom this presentation has been made.
Thank you very much, sir.
You remember then when we talked in the evening through WhatsApp, I was busy somewhere and I said that, okay, let us talk on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then you, what was my strategy? And I said, okay, on some other day, I will discuss the strategy.
yeah. Thank you very much for this presentation. Sir, I have one question here.
Yes.
Can we transfer a share one demat account to another demat account without entering the marketing?
Yes, this is possible, and there was no commission charged on that by broker. And my broker is Religare, who is largest in North India.
I have also a demat account in India Infoline. I think it's good.
Okay. And if you just check the purchase, this slip is there, no transfer slip.
And
And in transfer slip, you will get two things mentioned, on market or off market. So you need to put the information is on off market.
okay. Then I fill out the slip and then transfer to the one
Yes,
demat
yes.
account.
Fill out the slip, submit the slip. You will get a call from them. That will be confirmatory call, because now this is compulsory as per CDSL and NSDL. as they are the top authorities. And once this will be confirmed by you either through email or over phone, so then these shares will be transferred. They will be asking some simple questions. And remember that these questions, that one question may be what are the scripts, what is the quantity of the script, these type of simple questions they will ask. They may also ask what is your date of birth, so to confirm,
Yeah, the confirmation.
yeah, to confirm that they are talking to Rajan Sahdev ji.
Yeah, yeah.
And once you talk to them, then these shares will be transferred, and there is zero cost for this off market transfer. There is no commission charged by the brokers on this off market. And there is a column where you need to mention the reason for transfer. And you will find that in that booklet, later on, they have given 8 or 9 reasons. 9 reasons should be now. And in 9 reasons, you need to take the gift reason. Though you are taking money from your daughter, and then only you are transferring, but they are mentioned gift. If
Yeah, it is gift.
you will mention gift, then this commission will not be charged.
Okay.
There is a question, and any other question, feel free. राजन जी, मैं अभी गुंजन जी से बात कर लेता हूँ.
Okay, okay.
She is there and she wants to know something. Gunjan ji, kindly unmute yourself and switch on your video and ask your question. Because I am sharing the real life practical experience which I did for last 11 years for my daughter.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Gunjan ji.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good
Sir,
evening.
yes, sir. I say in your first slide, you mentioned that if a share is excluded from the Sensex, then you just sell it. But if I am not keeping watch on stock market, then how would I know that particular stock has been excluded?
Yes.
Like, is there any? Yeah. Sir.
Yes, yes. And see, because I am busy in my practice, therefore I also
Yeah.
didn't get time. But actually, what happens that I made it a habit that I shall not only create the corpus for my daughter, but
Okay.
at least A of the stock market she must learn before she matures. So therefore, what used to happen, because financial daily also we are reading, and whenever there is change in the Sensex or Nifty, na, then this is news 3 months before. First signal, first official information comes 3 months before.
So
Second
we have the
official,
ample time.
yes. Second official information comes 1 month before. Then 1 day before also this is covered by financial dailies as well as by business news channel. And then what happens, that suppose you say I don't buy financial daily, I don't read financial daily, I don't even go for business news channel, whatever. So even when market is not on, even if you will see the Sensex, just the moment you will click on Sensex, 30 shares will open in box, and there it will hardly take 2 minutes to identify whether the shares which you purchased last year, whether they are still continuing in the list or not.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So
So
this
one
was,
thing more,
yes,
you have mentioned that Best Brains, is this a website or like what is this? Best Brains.
which one?
Best Brains. You mean person or it is an app or website?
It is nothing. Best Brains is nothing.
Okay.
This is, I thought that can I get advice of Best Brains
Yes.
free?
I want to know whether it is
Yes.
person. Oh,
So
yeah.
then question is, where is Best Brains?
Right.
Answer
Thank you
is,
so much.
answer is Best Brains are working with BSc oblique NSE. Okay. And then Best Brains are taking care of Nifty and Sensex.
Okay.
इससे अच्छा एनालिसिस तो मैं कर नहीं सकता, चाहे मैं जितना मर्जी बड़ा हो जाऊं, because they are doing it for 24/7. I am, because for me this is my second profession. My first profession is valuation report, and finding out the value is my second profession, because I am registered valuer. For them, finding out value is their first profession, and they are the best brains who are looking for the Sensex, and they have proven it from 100 to the journey of 53,000. They have regularly proven it. And these best brains identify 30 best shares
Okay.
where chances of loss is near to nil. I will say 99%. If the absolute bad luck is there, then only there will be loss, otherwise not. So then I purchase these best brains for free by way of making my investment policy that for my girl child, investment policy should be simple. And that investment policy for me was only Sensex, means maximum these 30 shares, not beyond that. And I did not go for, Acha, then I shall also tell what I did not do. No forwards, no penny stock, no two tip. हमसे अच्छा कौन एनालाइज करेगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिफेंस सेक्टर इज गेटिंग ओपनड अप इन इंडिया, एवरीबडी नोज. And if suppose anybody makes a portfolio for defense stocks today and strategy is only nothing doing, only defense stock, then then what will happen? You cannot lose on your portfolio because government is supporting now the defense. And this is only one example. If you see the same thing about specialty chemical, because government of India is coming out with PLI schemes, production linked incentive schemes. And
Right.
PLI schemes, that is the PLI scheme for the IT industry, is one of the reason why Dixon Technologies has given the return of more than 10 times in last 1 year. Only for one reason, government policy. And government policy always gives you something extraordinary. But this can suit to Ajay Gar, but this cannot suit to Khushi Gar. She is my daughter because she is looking for the perspective of 10 years, 11 years. When she was 9, today she is 19. So that way, but I am sharing this session only for so that my professional registered valuer colleagues can leave some legacy for the female in the home in the form of daughters and granddaughters. There is a question by Rakesh Lunawati. Rakesh ji, kindly switch on your video and switch on your audio also and ask your question.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is not my question. Rather, someone had asked for transfer of shares. Recently, I had attended a online seminar of NSDL. Now, transfer of shares is also available online. Earlier, before 10-15 years, it was available. Then SEBI stopped it. Now, again, online transfer has been started. The procedure, we can held a seminar from NSDL. They are ready for everyone. That will be a very helpful for all. That was
Yes,
my
this will be very helpful
recommendation, sir.
whenever it happens, Rakesh ji. This will further ease the process. But I am talking till 2020 March 2020.
Yes.
Till March 2020, till she attained the major, she became major. I always transferred through the slip. That
Yes,
slip.
agreed.
Yeah.
Sir, me too. But this is the recent phenomenon. Almost, I
Yes.
think a month ago only, there was a seminar, and there the NSDL people told that now NSDL has facilitated online transfer. This I am informing for the ease of operation for everyone,
This
because
is good, sir.
very few people know this.
Yes, this is good, sir. Kindly repeat once more for the benefit of the valuers who are attending this.
Sure, sir. This is for everyone. The system of physical transferring of shares, offline or online, it is very tedious. We have to fill up the slip and deliver to the broker or office or wherever they tell. Now, online transfer is possible. You can transfer the shares by by sitting in your chair. NSDL has facilitated a procedure. I think those who have conducted this program, they must contact NSDL, and NSDL people are ready to hold a seminar, free seminar, whenever and wherever you say. They will be the best persons to guide. This will benefit everyone, because everything is becoming online now, and the transfer of shares even one problem will be solved. Sometimes signature difference also make a problem in physical
Yes.
transfer. So that will also be a helpful system for if everyone goes online.
You are right, Rakeshji. I remember one such instance that about 3 years back, I purchased insurance company shares.
Okay.
And then I wanted to transfer these shares because these belongs to my daughter. I wanted to transfer these shares through transfer slip in her account. And my slip got rejected 3 times. And I could transfer these shares with the lag of 8 months in her account.
Okay. Right.
Now, when this online transfer will be allowed, then certainly this is going to make it ease of doing the transactions in the minor account. This is very good information which we have shared. And there is a hand raised by Mr.
Khyati Vyas.
Khyati Vyas.
Yeah.
Khyati Vyas ji, kindly switch on video, audio, and then come on for your comment or question or whatever. So this is good piece of information, Rakesh ji. And
Thank you, sir.
I remember I have interacted with you little earlier also on some other thing. Yeah.
I don't know. I just actually another seminar is going on in my home. That also on ladies items. But
Okay.
we had already registered for this, and I thought, and just suddenly, just as soon as I logged in, someone had asked this question of transfer, and your comments were going on. That's
Yes,
why I
yes.
remembered that I
Yeah.
should share this because it will be the best thing. Transfer of shares online. Recently,
Yes.
I asked the main problem with NSDL is that now they are asking for 6 passwords. You have an account, online account on NSDL, you registered it, and when after 60 days or 120 days, you have to compulsorily change the password. You cannot change it up to the last 6 passwords.
Yes.
That is the only problem.
Yes, you are right.
But transfer of shares online is now possible.
Yes. And Khyati Vyas ji perhaps could not listen. Any other person having any other question? Or the
सर
members?
नमस्कार.
Yes. Sanjeev ji, namaskar.
थैंक यू सर, आपने तो आज खजाना खोल के दे दिया.
This is, but remember that in India we will create the female Warren Buffett.
हाँ सर. तो सर मेरा थोड़ा सा फाइनेंस में हाथ कच्चा है. वैल्यूएशन में तो ठीक ठाक है, लेकिन फाइनेंस में कच्चा है.
सर देखो, आप तो देखो प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एक्सपर्ट हो, तो जो कंपनी प्लांट एंड मशीनरी बनाती है ना, वहां फोकस करो. वहां पे हम लोग फेल हो जाते हैं.
राइट.
एक सर अभी आपने एक शायद मिस कर गया, मेरा कोई कॉल आ गया था, जिसे आपने कहा कि माइनर का डीमैट अकाउंट नहीं हो सकता.
हो सकता है सर.
अच्छा, हो सकता है. अच्छा, वो क्लैरिटी आ गई थी. लेकिन
पहले से पॉसिबल है सर, हो सकता है. और
लेकिन वो ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं.
ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट में वो एलिजिबल नहीं है. तो दैट इज द रीजन वो प्राइमरी मार्केट में आईपीओ दे कैन नॉट अप्लाई.
So there is only one gate to the demat account miner, that is the through gift.
Yes, and that gift you will be giving from our own money also. You are not giving anything. You are just sharing drop of your knowledge. For example, Sanjeev ji, देखो, I have written one name is Jack Thompson. Or one popular name I shall write, that is Praj. Praj you can understand. Ajay Garg cannot understand because they are into plant manufacturing. And why Praj and Isjack? Because ethanol has been opened and this is preponed that now up to 2022 20% mixing will happen. So then as a plant and machinery valuer, sir, you can see plant and machinery, not many companies are there, and that is your booty.
Great, sir, great. Like you said, in your investment policy, you suggested to going only for the Sensex shares.
This was
So
my
yes,
I shared my policy, and you can devise your policy.
Yes, agreed. So I think these are 30 shares which decides the BSE Sensex, is it?
Yes.
We'll talk about 30 shares.
Yes.
Similarly, NSE has 100 shares, something like that, no?
No, sir. Nifty have 50
Yeah.
shares.
And the Nifty has 50. Okay. Nifty
Yes.
has 50 and BSE has 30.
And see, sir, I shall tell one example that when she was 12, I purchased Reliance share in her account, and these were purchased at the rate of 700.
Oh
And
my
if I
God.
rightly remember, I purchased 50 shares or 100 shares. And today she owns 500 shares
Oh,
because of bonus and other things.
yes. And rate is also gone up.
I don't own because I don't have that patience of 10 years.
Great. So, what do you suggest? I mean, I think there's some Nifty or something there with the name of Nifty. Also, some shares come in, or
No, sir. I will suggest that Nifty is ETF, and ETF cannot be hold for long period. ETF cannot be hold for long period. Therefore, you shall not purchase Nifty because this is account of the girl child where you don't be able to do the transactions very frequently.
okay.
Therefore, don't go for ETF, don't go for exchange traded fund, go for the real company, sir. देखो आज आपको मैंने एक information दे दी है because you are brainy person that ethanol sector has been opened and without plant and machinery ethanol plant cannot be put up. And who is making ethanol plant and machinery? Now you can identify, you can find out.
Yes.
And because you are from plant and machinery class of Valuer, you can easily find out the top multinational companies, because what happens in Indian stock market that multinational companies get better PE, price earning ratio, they get better PE for the simple reason that we people do 1 and 2. Their basket is common.
Yes.
That's the reason they get better PE. And you can identify 5, 6, 10 such companies, and then you can identify which are the better player, and then you can go for that.
Great, sir. Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, we also want something from you.
Sir,
and that something is that I don't know whether you ever visited, because you might not have been required to visit, but we uploaded some valuation reports on myvaluationbank.com.
Okay.
And now, as of now, 200 reports are there, and in last 1 year, more than 3,15,000 hits are there.
Oh my God. Very good.
And this was first year. This was launched on 26th of June 2020 during pandemic. And today we have completed first year. This is first anniversary of My Valuation Bank.
Great.
राकेश जी ने अभी मुझे हैंड्स अप वो थम्स अप किया है. And
सर ये माइनर के लिए बोल रहे थे तो मैं कुछ कहना चाहूंगा, इजाजत है?
यस सर, वेलकम.
हम सब मारवाड़ी हैं. देखिए, तो हमारे घरों में जो बिजनेस सेंस है वो ऐसी है कि बाप दादों से सीखते हुए आई है. माइनर के लिए सबसे एक बात बताना चाहूंगा, शायद सबको पता होगी, नहीं भी पता हो तो शेयर करूंगा. जब घर में बच्चा जन्म लेता है, लड़की या लड़का कोई भी, तो अब तो ये फैसिलिटी हो गई है, 4 दिन का बच्चा, 1 दिन का बच्चा है, आप उसका पान कार्ड ले सकते हैं. और बच्चियों के लिए तो सबसे बढ़िया प्लानिंग हो सकता है, आप उसका पान कार्ड लीजिए, उसका बैंक अकाउंट खुलवा सकते हैं, और वो 18 साल की होती है तब तक आप अपने उसके अंदर से आप उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट करके, जब उसकी शादी हो या बड़ी हो, जब आप चाहें उसको पूरी की पूरी आप उसको एक रेडीमेड फाइल बना सकते हैं. इतनी फैसिलिटी है अपने सिस्टम के अंदर. तो ये आप सबको अपने सीए या किसी के साथ में भी आप कंसल्ट करके ये कर सकते हैं. सबसे बढ़िया बात है बच्चियों के लिए, गवर्नमेंट की इतनी सारी स्कीम्स हैं जिसमें बच्चियों के लिए स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए उनको अलग से प्रावधान है. आप कितनी सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं उनको पोर्टफोलियो बनाने के लिए. और उनको जब अगर आप पोर्टफोलियो बनाने के देंगे, बचपन से थोड़ा थोड़ा गाइड करेंगे, तो वॉरेन बफेट क्या अपने यहाँ तो सीरीज बन सकती है वॉरेन बफेट की, क्योंकि इंडियंस के जो दिमाग हैं वो टेरिफिक हैं.
ग्रेट, थैंक यू.
ये मेरा कहना है सर।
यस,
मेरे एक मित्र हैं, वो भी, उनका भी नाम राकेश है। करीब, मैं एक्चुअली सर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करता हूँ, सीएस हूँ, लेकिन करीब 20 साल से ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग कर रहा हूँ फादर के साथ में। तो ये जो साहब हैं, ये मेरे ऑफिस में बैठते थे, हम दोनों को देखते थे, बाप बेटे को। बोले दिन भर ये कुछ करते नहीं है और यार सारा दिन कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठे रहते हैं, इतनी बड़ी ऑफिस मेंटेन कर रहे हैं। तो वो खुद भाई साहब जो है वो इंजीनियर थे और बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज, गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज में काम कर चुके थे। फिर एक दिन उन्होंने पूछा भी क्या करते हो आप लोग? तो हमने कहा भाई देखो ये इस तरह से ऊपर का हाई लो बीएससी बताया, एनएससी बताया। बंदा होशियार तो था, उन्होंने पकड़ लिया। ये बात है करीब 4-5 साल पहले की। आज की तारीख में कोई कंपनी ऐसी नहीं है जिसके अंदर वो खरीद बेचा नहीं करते हैं। उनकी सिस्टर लंदन रहती है, उन्होंने उसको सिखाया। अब लंदन वाली जो सिस्टर है वो इन्फोसिस और टीसीएस में खेलते हैं रोज, और आप सोच नहीं सकते इतने पैसे कमा रहे हैं।
जी जी जी।
तो ये मेरी सब लोगों से आपसे गुजारिश है। मेरे तो घर में दिक्कत है कि बच्चियां नहीं है, सब लड़के ही हैं।
जी
अगर
जी।
लड़कियां होती तो बहुत ही आनंद आता।
यस, सुरेश जी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, सुरेश अग्रवाल जी, जयपुर से। सुरेश अग्रवाल जी, एक बार आप अपने को अनम्यूट कर लें और वीडियो भी ऑन कर लें। सुरेश जी,
अरे नवाज जी, मैं भी एक इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं आ सकता हूँ आपका ऑफिस में कभी मौका दो तो।
तो हमें भी इंजीनियर बन के जाना पड़ेगा। देखो
मैं वही कह रहा, आपको तो देखो साहब, सब लोग सीए फाइनेंस वाले हो, नवाज जी साहब मेरे को हाथ धरने देंगे, मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ।
यस यस यस।
नवाज जी कहाँ पर बेचते हैं आप अनम्यूट करिए, आप आपको अनम्यूट करिए।
तो आप बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हैं सर। जो फिगर्स हैं, जो चार्ट्स वगैरह हैं, उनको एक बार समझ लें तो आप लोगों को तो ट्रेडिंग करने में कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं आनी चाहिए। ट्रेडिंग से ज्यादा अच्छा अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं तो सबसे बढ़िया है। हम लोगों ने शुरू में ट्रेडिंग की थी 20 साल पहले, लेकिन धीरे धीरे इन्वेस्टर में टर्न हो गए। आज की तारीख में कभी कभी महीना निकल जाता है, ट्रेडिंग नहीं करते। कभी सिर्फ बाई होती है, कभी सिर्फ सेल होती है, बट वी आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल। आप ये देखिए, सबसे बड़ा ये जो सब्जेक्ट चुना सर आपने, बहुत ही बढ़िया चुना। उसका रीजन ये है, कई लोग पूछते हैं कि यार आप लोग ये काम क्यों कर रहे हो, ये तो घर बैठ के अलग से भी कर सकते हैं। इसका रीजन सर ये है, मैंने प्रैक्टिस छोड़ के ये काम 100% इसलिए अपना सर 2 मिनट लूंगा। ये आप देखिए 150 साल की हिस्ट्री है शेयर मार्केट की। न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, ये इतना बड़ा पेंडेमिक आया, 1.5 साल हो गया, पूरी दुनिया बंद रही, लेकिन शेयर मार्केट कभी बंद रहा आपने देखा? एक दिन की छुट्टी नहीं मारी उसने। तो ये रीजन है। अच्छा, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी, आज 20 साल पहले की मेरे पास कंपनियां पड़ी है जो खत्म हो गई थी, अब वापस उनकी रेट्स आ रही है, वो रिवाइव कर रही है। तो आपको ये तो कहीं पे भी मिलेगा ही नहीं। गवर्नमेंट की फिक्स डिपॉजिट पे आपको, आज बच्ची के नाम पे अगर फिक्स डिपॉजिट रखी होती तो क्या इंटरेस्ट आता? अपन तो 18-20% वाला है, आज 4% में अगर क्या होता अपना। तो ये सब देख के आप थोड़ा सा कल्चर अपने घरों में डेवलप करिए, ज्यादा नहीं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा, बट ये बेस्ट एवेन्यू है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, अच्छे रिटर्न के लिए। और एक डिसिप्लिन भी आता है आपके फाइनेंशियल जो तरीका है आपका जीने का, उसके अंदर भी ये बहुत मदद करता है, क्योंकि आप कंटिन्यूअस टच में रहते हैं, आपको मार्केट देखना पड़ता है। अभी हम लिस्ट बनाते हैं रोज के, आज किसकी किसकी मीटिंग है, कौन सी कंपनीज की मीटिंग अगले वीक है, क्या डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर करेगी। डिक्लेयर करती है उस दिन रात को 10 बजे मेरे पापा जी पूछते हैं भाई देख आज किसका किसका डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर हुआ, और नोट डाउन करते हैं आया कि नहीं आया, टीडीएस का था तो बराबर कटा कि नहीं। ये जो सिस्टम है आलस को छोड़ने की, ये भी इससे डेवलप होती है, मुझे ऐसा लगा इतने मेरे अनुभव के अंदर। तो आप सब अगर इसको करते हैं तो बच्चियों के लिए तो, लेडीज के लिए तो बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है, और ये घर बैठे कर सकते हैं। सबसे बड़ा इसका फायदा ये है, उनको लगेगा कि हम भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, हम फैक्ट्री नहीं जा सकते। आज अपने घरों में ज्यादातर कई बार होता है, बड़ी बड़ी डिग्री लेके बच्चियां आ जाती है, बच्चों की शादियां करके हम लेके आते हैं, बट परिस्थिति ऐसी होती है कि भी ऑलरेडी सब कुछ खाता पीता, सब कुछ अच्छा है, राम जी राजी है, तो भाई आप काम ना करो। लेकिन अगर आप उनको ये छूट देते हैं कि भी आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो घर से, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी हैप्पीनेस देगा, उनको भी देगा, उनको लगेगा हाँ मैं सेल्फ सफिशिएंट हूँ। मेरा ये कहना है सर। धन्यवाद सर।
सर एक क्वेश्चन है।
हाँ जी।
रिगार्डिंग आईपीओ।
हाँ जी।
मैं आई एम अप्लाइंग फॉर लास्ट 1 year for my demat account, IPO, but I'm not getting any till now any IPO.
Okay.
I'm doing any mistake or there is another way to increase the chance to get the shares.
कभी आप बड़ा भरिए, थोड़ा ज्यादा भरिए।
Sorry.
कभी आप जो अमाउंट जैसे मिनिमम अमाउंट भरते हैं उसमें लॉट सिस्टम होता है अलग अलग, जैसे पहला 1 लॉट या 2 लॉट या 4 लॉट। आप कभी HNI में जाइए, थोड़ा सा पैसा ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट करिए।
Okay.
राजन जी एक और स्ट्रेटेजी बता देता हूँ आपको। कौन राजन जी बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ, एक और स्ट्रेटेजी देखो आपको बता देता हूँ, उसके बाद दीपाली जी का क्वेश्चन समझेंगे। एक और स्ट्रेटेजी होती है, देखिए अभी जोमेटो का पब्लिक इशू आने वाला है, सेबी में DRHP ऑलरेडी फाइल हो चुका है। और मोस्ट लाइकली क्या होगा कि जो इन्फो एज ऑलरेडी लिस्टेड कंपनी है उसके शेयर होल्डर्स को ना एक अलग से कैटेगरी मिलेगी जहां पर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अलॉटमेंट बेटर होगी।
हाँ।
इसी तरीके से अभी ग्लेनमार्क की एक कंपनी का अभी DRHP सेबी में फाइल हुआ है, सेबी के पोर्टल पर वो इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है। क्योंकि ग्रुप कंपनी है तो इसके शेयर होल्डर्स को ना एक एडिशनल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती होती है, प्रेफरेंशियल ऐसे करके उसके कुछ कहते हैं। तो आप अगर मान लो आज ग्लेन का शेयर कभी खरीदते हो और आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी बेटर होगी नई कंपनी में वो शेयर पॉसिबिलिटी आपको IPO में शेयर मिलने की। दो इंस्टेंट कंपनी मेरे को याद आ रही है इस समय जहां पर कि ये पॉसिबिलिटी है।
यही आई वांट टू अप्लाई दैट इंक्रीज ऑफ चांस कैसे हो सकता है? यस,
तो ये आपको चांस इंक्रीज करने का देखो एक रास्ता आज बता दिया, और ये राकेश जी के प्रेजेंट होने की वजह से ये दिमाग में आया है और मैंने इसको ना अपने लिए अडॉप्ट किया हुआ है। ये मैं डिस्क्लोजर दे देता हूँ।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
अभी क्या हुआ है,
किस्मत का तो ऐसा है कि मेरे यहाँ पे अभी मेरे पास में फैमिली के 13 अकाउंट्स है। हम लोग जनरली भरते नहीं है, IPO खरीद लेते हैं मार्केट से। लेकिन कभी कभी अभी एक बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ के भी ये काम करने लगा है तो वो कभी कभी बताता है इसमें कर दो। तो पिछले 5-6 इशू में 13 एप्लीकेशन भरी है हमने, एक भी नहीं लगा है। तो ये आप इसका कोई श्योर शॉट नहीं है सर कि लगेगा नहीं लगेगा।
शॉट नहीं है, ये बात आप ठीक कह रहे हैं। और एक और देखिए अभी मैं एक और बात भी आपको बता देता हूँ कि अभी बट टू अर्ली टू टॉक है। आज का हमारा फोकस देखो जो है वो गर्ल चाइल्ड के लिए है जो कि माइनर है, इन्हें हम मतलब वॉरेन बफेट में बनाने की एक पॉसिबिलिटी ले सकते हैं विदाउट एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट, विदाउट एनी एक्सपेंस। तो अभी दीपाली रावल जी के पास चलते हैं, उनका एक क्वेश्चन है, उनका क्वेश्चन सुनते हैं दीपाली जी का। दीपाली जी, ओवर
Good evening, and yeah, I'm fine. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And I'm thankful that you have given me an opportunity to ask one very practical question.
Yes.
You might be aware that Indians are rather Indian girls, and their fathers are more concerned of giving gold also at the time of their daughter's wedding. Is it feasible to buy sovereign gold bond, or is it feasible to buy ETF, or is it like to buy hard gold? I mean, what should be the policy? Because ultimately that will also go into her fund also. Secondly, I just wanted to ask, okay, first let us discuss this question, then we may ask another.
यस राकेश जी, पहले आप बताओ फिर मैं बताता हूँ।
सर ये एक्चुअली मेरे लिए थोड़ा कठिन विषय है क्योंकि मैंने 20 साल में सोने में एक भी पैसा नहीं डाला, सारा पैसा मेरा इक्विटी में लगा हुआ है। बट आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप ETF में डाल सकते हैं। गोल्ड ETF है, उसमें रिटर्न कम आता है और वैल्यूएशन, मेरा अभी तक का एक्सपीरियंस ये कहता है कि उसमें रिटर्न कम आ रहा है। हाँ, सेफ्टी वगैरह स्टैंडर्ड्स के हिसाब से बहुत ही बढ़िया है। तो फिजिकल और ETF दोनों, ये एक्चुअली फिजिकल गोल्ड लेना अपने अपनी चॉइस के ऊपर है, किसी की एडवाइस काम नहीं आएगी इसमें। आपको कई लोगों को फिजिकल के प्रति एक अट्रैक्शन होता है तो उसको फुलफिल करना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। क्योंकि अच्छे गोरे लोग होते हैं ना, उनको गोरे और एकदम काले, उनके पहनावा भी अच्छा लगता है। मेरे जैसे लोगों के तो सोना पहनावा तो भी अच्छा नहीं लगता, ये भी एक कंसिडरेशन है।
इट इज नॉट
जी दीपाली जी, मैं भी अपना रिप्लाई पहले दे देता हूँ आपको कि मैंने गोल्ड ETF खरीदा था और 6 साल मैंने उसे अपने पास रखा था और 6 साल में मेरे को जो उस पर रिटर्न मिली थी, मैंने 13,000 में खरीदा था और 24,000 में मैंने सेल किया था। नंबर 1 24,000 में, 13,000, entry price 13,000, entry price.
So
And
almost 85%,
exit price was 24,000
more
after
than
about
100.
6 years. This was my only experience, but gold ETF possible है. बट गोल्ड के साथ एक बहुत स्पेशल बात ध्यान रखने वाली है कि जब भी डिस्टर्बिंग टाइम्स होते हैं तो गोल्ड का रेट बढ़ता है.
Yes, exactly.
एंड दीज आर नॉट द गुड टाइम्स टू इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड, बिकॉज जैसे ही नवंबर 30 के बाद सिचुएशन नॉर्मल होनी शुरू होगी तो गोल्ड का रेट 10 से 30% तक रिड्यूस हो सकता है.
सही बात.
Okay, one more. This is
Yes.
like our academic knowledge also. Like if we want to value gold bonds or anything, how should we give scope? Because if we see any government would have some reservoir for their gold quantity, and obviously any government would like to increase the rate of gold. Like if you see what were the rates 20 years before, and now the rates are much more, I mean, higher, you can say more than double. So is it meeting our inflation cost? If you see
Yes.
any investment, it should meet 3 criteria. That is what my mindset always shows. That first, it should meet inflation level. Second, the risk profile of that particular security. And third is the return, either in terms of dividend or in terms of growth.
Yes.
So these are the 4 parameters always my mind is, having focus while buying any particular script.
Yes, perfect. See, nowadays there is a challenge that there may be a question in young mind, though in India cryptocurrency and these are still not legal, but why these currencies are getting valued? There is a reason that US is now printing currency without maintaining the ratio with the gold, and they are printing it in bulk. And what is happening? This is getting deposited in the war chest of various other countries. And there is a likelihood, very recently, Russia has clearly mentioned in their policy that they will no more hold the US dollars in their kitty, in their war chest. Now, some currency has to remain for international transactions. That is the reason why these currencies are happening. Now, let us coming back to your question about the investment policy. See, investment policy for Dipali ji may be different. Investment policy for the daughter of Dipali ji has to be different. And this investment policy, long-term investment policy, has to take care of the safety of number one, demat account. Number two, safety of whatever money has been invested, that must remain safe even if return is less. And this has been seen that in Sensex share, return is always better than the inflation, always better than the FD, always better than the PPF, always better than anything else. And that is relatively safe also because growth of the Sensex is dependent upon these shares. And you have rightly mentioned out 3-4 parameters, whatever you have mentioned. I will suggest you that for the benefit of other female registered valuers, kindly mention them in chat box also. And also mention their number, because if any female registered valuer who is attending this session may like to talk to you after the session for getting better clarity, and you have more clarity about this stock market transactions. Rakesh ji want to say, Rakesh ji ne thumbs up kiya hai. This is, thank you Rakesh ji. And anybody else, kindly feel free to ask your question. सुरेश जी आप आ गए हैं तो थोड़ी सी तारीफ कर दो. ये तारीफ तो हम वैसे राजन जी से भी करा सकते हैं, हरिंदर बख्शी जी से कराते हैं। बख्शी साहब एक बार अपने को आप अनम्यूट कर लें और अपनी वीडियो भी ऑन कर लें। हरिंदर बख्शी जी,
I have one more question.
यस।
Is it feasible to have, say, say 10 to 15 securities in your basket, or to have 5 to 10 securities?
Answer is yes. And feasible, yes, perfectly feasible. And there is no such restriction. You can have even 40, 50, 30, whatever you can manage, it depends on that. Wherever you can keep the track, it depends on keeping the track. If you can keep the track, this is possible and this shall happen.
So while keeping the track, I should know that what could be the future event related to particular company, right? And that I can have, as you discussed, I can have some idea from SEBI's website wherein what would be the future event which the company will come up with, right? So
No,
our total say we should always track SEBI's site while predicting the future event or something which will affect the shares price, right? And which is quite logical also, instead of just going for market sentiments. Am I going on right what you call mindset?
no. See, keeping the track means only three things. If it is account for long term, always take care if there is any extraordinary losses in any quarter. If there is change in management or there is corporate action, because company will automatically grow, only thing you need to keep track is extraordinary losses. If there are extraordinary losses in any one particular quarter, this is a warning bell. Second is change in management, and third is corporate action. For example, just today, Thyrocare has been sold by its existing management. Thyrocare is one of the good company, and today's news is that Thyrocare has been sold by its existing management. In reverse sweep, this is reverse sweep. What has happened that they have exited from the category of the promoter from here. That means agreement has been signed, disclosure has been made, and they now will be taking 5% stake in the different company which will step to the shoe as a promoter. So this information is important. If I am having Thyrocare in my basket, then this important is a sort of warning bell. Now, as a valuer, I have to analyze that what are the credentials of the next management, because credential of earlier management were they clearly had one policy that they will not give any cut to any doctor. They are the laboratory, Thyrocare, and the existing management had one clear-cut policy that in any situation, they will not offer any cut to any doctor. Now new management is coming. I have to understand the new management to continue in the script. If new management thought process does not suit my thought process, then I will change the horse. Otherwise, I will continue with the same horse. राकेश जी, आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस से ऐड कर दो। देखो, जो भी कुछ ऐड करो ना, ये सोच के करना कि we are going to create female Warren Buffett. That means we are going to do something for the girl child which is less than 11 years old.
सही है सर। आपने जो बताया उससे मैं एकदम एग्री करता हूँ। कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन पे तो खास ध्यान देना जरूरी है, क्योंकि इसी से पता चलता है कि हमने जो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रखा है उसका आगे क्या होगा। और अब टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी आगे बढ़ गई है, साधन इतने सारे हो गए हैं, तो आपको कॉर्पोरेट एक्शंस के बारे में फटाफट पता भी चलने लग गया है। तो एक ही दिक्कत है कि आपको थोड़ा सा बिजी रहना पड़ता है, उसमें आपको ध्यान रखते रहना पड़ता है। ये राउंड द ईयर चलती रहती है एक्टिविटी। अभी कई कंपनियां ऐसी होती है जैसे जिससे बड़ी आशाएं होती है कि भाई ये तो बड़ा डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर करेगी, और अगर आप आज चालू मार्केट के दौरान में किसी की मीटिंग हुई है और डिक्लेयर हो गया है, छोटा सा डिक्लेयर हुआ है और मार्केट तुरंत उसका रेट गिरना चालू हो जाता है, तो वो भी आपके लिए एक तरह का अलार्म है। एक एग्जाम्पल है ये। इसी तरह से किसी कंपनी का कोई कंपनी ले रही है, जैसे आपने बताया थायरोकर की बहुत ही बढ़िया न्यूज बताई है आपने। हो सकता है अगला मैनेजमेंट बहुत बढ़िया हो और ऊंची हाइट पे ले जाने वाला हो, लेकिन ये तब पता चलेगा जब कौन ले रहा है ये आपको मालूम हो। ये भी उसमें लिखा हुआ होता है जनरली कि कौन से ग्रुप ने लिया है। तो अब आपको नॉलेज का बेस बढ़ाना जरूरी, जो भी मेंटर्स हैं बच्चियों के बड़े, और आप उनको भी इस तरह से 11 इयर्स 12 इयर्स के नीचे वाले जो बच्चे हैं वो शायद नहीं समझ पाएंगे, लेकिन थोड़े जो 15-16 के बाद में आते हैं, जो 12वीं के आसपास आ गए, वहां से आप उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा गाइड करना शुरू कीजिए। लेकिन उसके पहले आपको ध्यान देना है इन सब चीजों के लिए जो आपने बताई है, ये बहुत जरूरी है। जो आपने लेके रख लिया अंदर तो पोर्टफोलियो बिल्डअप नहीं होता है, वो
राकेश जी,
ध्यान भी
मैं
देना
तो
पड़ता है।
देखो अपनी डॉटर को क्या बताता था आपको बता देता हूँ। जैसे उसके खाते में लार्सन एंड ट्यूब्रो था, तो अगर
हाँ हाँ
मार्केट में जाते हुए कहीं भी L&T का लोगो दिखाई दे जाता था ना, तो आई यूज्ड टू से कि सी दिस लोगो ना, यू आर द ओनर ऑफ दिस कंपनी।
एग्जैक्टली सर, एग्जैक्टली। मैं बैंक में जाता हूँ, कहीं HDFC बैंक में जाता हूँ, मेरे पास उसके 50 शेयर है, सिर्फ 50 शेयर है और
यस,
खाते भी हैं। तो कभी भी वहां जाते हैं, कुछ दिक्कत होती है तो उनको बोलते हैं भाई देखो आप ऐसा करो। वो बोलते हैं आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो? मैंने कहा मैं शेयर होल्डर हूँ, चेयरमैन को लिख दूंगा मैं कि आप यहाँ पे ऐसा कर रहे हो। और ये बात सही कही, कहीं पे भी जाते हैं तो एक अपनेपन का भाव आता है अगर आपको नॉलेज है कि आप इसके हिस्सेदार हैं। ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। दूसरी बात, वो अगर सही आदमी है जिनके पास में ये एजेंसियां हैं या जो उस कंपनी के हैं, वो आपके प्रति आप उनका भी रवैया बदल जाता है। ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है सर। ये दिखने में छोटी लगती है लेकिन कई बार इसका मैं अनुभव कर चुका हूँ। अभी रिसेंटली मैं SBI में गया था तो एक बंदा चिल्ला रहा था। वहां सर्विस उसने कुछ काम के लिए दी, तो जो ऑफिसर था उसने एक काम किया और बाकी का छोड़ के उसको प्रिंट किया मैंने दे दी। वो चिल्लाने लगा, बोले मैं 10,000 शेयर है मेरे पास SBI के। ये तरीका है आपके काम करने का? आप ऐसा मत करो। मैं शेयर होल्डर हूँ, आपका क्लाइंट हूँ, लेकिन शेयर होल्डर भी हूँ और मैं मीटिंग में जाके ये खड़ा होकर रेस करूंगा। तो उसका
यस,
तुरंत काम हुआ।
हाँ,
ये भी छोटे छोटे फायदे हैं। तो आपको ये बच्चों को नॉलेज देना, तो मेरे घर में जैसे मेरे बच्चे, एक बच्चा मेरा इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहा है, एक 12वीं में आया है, उन्होंने शुरू से ये कल्चर देखा है। तो पहले शुरुआत में इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते, लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा आप उनको देखो, CNBC देख रहे हैं या CNBC पे 2-3 मजाक वाले आते हैं अफसर, इतने दिन ध्यान नहीं देते थे बच्चे, लेकिन आप देखते हैं यार ये रोज मजाक करते हैं, तो उनको सुनने के लिए भी 2 मिनट के लिए आते हैं और उस मजाक मजाक में भी उनको पता चल जाता है। आप हॉर्लिक्स खरीदने जाते हैं, हॉर्लिक्स की इतनी सारी एड्स आती है बाजार में, हॉर्लिक्स करते हैं, हॉर्लिक्स कौन बनाता है? ग्लेक्सो वाले बनाते हैं। तो बच्चों को तुरंत लगता है वो ग्लेक्सो, मैं तो रोज हॉर्लिक्स पीता हूँ, तो पापा पापा ग्लेक्सो का शेयर लो जी। तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, आप बच्चों को बता सकते हैं जो हेल्प करेगी आगे इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस के लिए।
जी सर जी,
Yeah.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और देखिए अभी आकाश जी के पास चलते हैं।
Thank you so much. And I would like to make a only very small remark. We say in Gujarati ke kuama hoy to hawada ma aave. If we have got the knowledge, automatically not only in their basket they will have those shares, but obviously their mindset will also run like that only. And thank you so much for answering my most difficult confused question. Thank you so much.
Akash ji, over to you, and you can go for little appreciation of my valuation bank, and then we will close.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Jacob ji, for explaining so in very lucid manner how we can start the investment for our daughters and granddaughters for future. So they can also become, they can also be a record holder and be listed like a Warren Buffett we have with us. And about valuationbank.com, we all know very well that in case we get stuck anywhere, or in case you want to enhance your knowledge in with respect to valuation and the valuation report, how valuation is being done, what are the methods, and valuation bank is having a huge database of all the good valuation reports that have been prepared in the country by very technically sound and professional valuers. You can go to the website and you can download the reports, and it's almost free of cost. There are n number of valuation reports, and it's bifurcated, classified on the basis of topic. Like you want to have a report on merger or amalgamation, you can go to that section and download it. You want to have a report for 11 UA, you can get that report. So it's very systematically planned website. In the free time, in the meantime, free time, whenever you feel to increase your knowledge or to get something insight into the valuation, you can have an access to the website. At last, I would like to thank all the participants who were present in the session, who were very keenly interested in knowing how to do the investment strategy, investment policy for their directors and everything. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. The recording of this session will be available on Facebook as well as on YouTube. Thank you. We'll be meeting after the second Saturday, and the topic and the details will be shared via WhatsApp and other mediums. Thank you.